Emma, is this microphone working? I see a red light.
Yes, Jake. The red light means record. We are starting now. Hello, everyone.
Oh, hello. Hi, I'm Jake. I am a little nervous. This studio is very professional.
Don't be nervous, Jake. It's just us. Today, we are talking about the year. How was your year, Jake? Was it good?
My year? It was disappointing.
Disappointing? That is a good word. Listeners, disappointing means something is not good. You want a holiday, but it rains. That is disappointing. You want a pizza, but it is cold. That is disappointing. So, Jake, why was your year disappointing?
Well, in January, I had a plan. I wanted to cook. I bought a big hat, a chef's hat. I looked great, Emma.
I remember that hat. It was very tall.
Yes, I wanted to bake a cake for my neighbor, Mrs. Gable. I found a recipe. It said 2 spoons of sugar, but I thought, no, I like sugar. I want 10 spoons.
10 spoons? Jake, that is too much.
I know. I put the cake in the oven. I waited. I thought, this is my achievement.
Your achievement?
Wait, I know this word. Achievement is a big success, right? Like when you win a game or finish a difficult job?
Exactly. An achievement is something you do well. So, was the cake a big achievement?
No, it was a disaster. After 10 minutes, I saw smoke, black smoke. The cake was growing. It was like a monster. Then, beep, 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 the alarm started.
Oh no! Did you call the firemen?
I didn't call them. The alarm is connected to the station. 5 minutes later, a big red truck arrived. 3 firemen ran into my house. They had big boots and water.
Firemen in your kitchen for a cake?
Yes, I was standing there with my tall chef's hat. The kitchen was full of smoke. The fireman looked at me. He said, "Sir, please stop cooking."
Oh, Jake, that is so awkward. Poor Mrs. Gable. Did she get a cake?
No, she got smoke and loud sirens. So my year started with firemen. That is very disappointing. What about you, Emma? Was your year better?
Yes, I had a real achievement. I ran a marathon. That is 42 kilometers.
42 kilometers on foot?
Yes, I ran for 4 hours. It was very difficult, but at the finish line, I was very happy. It was my best achievement.
Wow, you run marathons. I burn cakes. We are very different, Emma.
That's okay. Every year has good moments and bad moments. What about you, listeners? Do you have a disappointing story or a big achievement? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, tell me I am not the only person with firemen in the kitchen.
Okay, let's take a break. We need to clean Jake's microphone. He's getting chocolate on it.
It's not chocolate, it's just... Okay, it's chocolate.
Welcome back. Jake, I just looked at the comments. Everyone is laughing at your fire story. But now we are in July. It's hot, you're happy, and then the water monster arrived.
Don't call it a monster, Emma. It was a nightmare. Listen, it started with a small sound under the kitchen sink. Drip, drip, drip.
Oh, I hate that sound. It's so frustrating, isn't it?
Frustrating. Wait, let's explain that. It's a great word for the situation.
Yes, frustrating is when something is annoying and you can't fix it. Like when you lose your keys and you're late for work. You feel frustrated.
Exactly. I was very frustrated. I wanted to sleep, but the sink was singing drip, drip. So I thought, I am a man. I don't need a plumber. I can do the maintenance myself.
Maintenance? We talked about this. It means looking after your house. But Jake, you are not a professional. You are, well, you are Jake.
Hey, I have a toolbox. It has a hammer, a screwdriver, and a very big wrench. I put on my old clothes. I looked like a pro. I went under the sink. It was an emergency in my head.
Wait, emergency? That's an important word. Listeners, an emergency is a serious or dangerous situation that needs help immediately, like a fire or a broken pipe.
Yes, it was a water emergency. I saw the pipe. I said, "Okay, you little pipe, you and me, one winner." I took my wrench. I turned it to the left. Nothing. I turned it to the right. Crack!
Crack is never a good sound in a kitchen, Jake.
No, it's not. Suddenly, the pipe didn't just drip, it exploded. A huge wave of cold water hit me. Splash! I was under the sink, so I couldn't move. I was trapped.
Oh my God, you were trapped under the sink in a flood?
Yes, I was screaming. My cat, Barnaby, ran into the kitchen. He looked at the water. He looked at me. I said, "Barnaby, help, call 911." But Barnaby is just a cat. He just started drinking the water. He was very happy.
So the cat is having a party and you are drowning.
Yes, my kitchen was a lake. I tried to find a solution.
Solution, another B1 word. A solution is the answer to a problem. If you are hungry, a sandwich is the solution. So, what was your solution for the lake in your kitchen?
My solution was running. I ran to the front door and shouted for help. My neighbor, Mr. Miller, was outside. He is 90 years old. He saw me covered in water and green slime from the pipes. I said, "Mr. Miller, help! The ocean is in my kitchen."
What did Mr. Miller do?
He didn't move. He just looked at his watch and said, "It's a bit early for a swim, isn't it, Jake?" He was so calm. He walked to the side of my house, turned a small red handle, and silence. The water stopped.
The red handle, the main water valve. Jake, why didn't you turn that first?
Because I'm an idiot, Emma. I forgot. I spent 4 hours cleaning the water. My rug was ruined, my shoes were dead, and Barnaby was sick because he drank too much pipe water.
Poor Barnaby, he was innocent.
What does innocent mean? Like a baby?
Yes, innocent means you did nothing wrong. You are not guilty. Barnaby didn't break the pipe. You did. Barnaby was just an innocent cat.
Okay, I'm the guilty one. So the maintenance was a disaster, the emergency was my fault, and the solution was a 90-year-old neighbor. My year was just one long, awkward moment.
But hey, look at the positive side. You learned a lot, and our listeners learned 5 new B1 words: maintenance, frustrating, emergency, solution, and innocent. That is a very good use of time.
You're right. My pain is their gain. Listeners, please tell me you have a solution for my life. Do you do your own plumbing, or are you smart like Emma?
I think they are definitely smarter than you, Jake. But don't go away, everyone. In the next part, Jake tries to make a New Year's resolution. And trust me, it's even funnier than the water disaster.
Wait, I haven't told the story about the gym membership yet.
Next part, Jake. Next part. Subscribe now so you don't miss Jake's gym disaster. And we are back for the final part of our Year in Review podcast. Jake, we talked about fire. We talked about floods. Now let's talk about the future. It's almost January 1st. Do you have a New Year's resolution?
A resolution, Emma? You know I struggle with long words. Is that a type of TV screen?
No, not a TV screen. A resolution is a promise you make to yourself. For example, in the new year, I will eat less pizza, or I will learn 10 new words every day. It's a goal for the new year.
Oh, I had a resolution last year. I said, "Jake, you look like a potato. You need to go to the gym."
A potato? You don't look like a potato, Jake. Maybe a slightly soft tomato.
Hey, that's not nice. Anyway, I went to the big gym downtown, the one with the neon lights. I saw a sign, big opportunity. Join today for half price.
Opportunity. That's a great B1 word. Listeners, an opportunity is a chance to do something good, like a job offer or a cheap gym membership. So, did you take the opportunity, Jake?
Yes, I walked in. Everyone was so muscular. There were men lifting cars and women running faster than horses. I felt very small, but I signed the paper. I told the trainer, I want to look like Thor by February.
Thor? Jake, Thor is a god. You need more than a month for that.
The trainer laughed too. He put me on a machine. It looked like a spaceship. He said, "Okay, Jake, let's see your consistency."
Consistency? That's a tough word for A1 students. It means doing the same thing again and again to get better, like practicing English every day, not just once a month.
Well, my consistency lasted exactly 20 minutes. I started running on the machine. 1, 2, 3 kilometers. I was sweating. My face was purple. I was so exhausted.
Exhausted is a level up for very tired, when you have zero energy left.
Yes, 0. I couldn't breathe. I tried to stop the machine, but I couldn't find the stop button. The machine was going faster and faster. I was running for my life. I was shouting, "Help! Thor is dying!"
Oh no! Did you fall off?
I didn't just fall, I flew. I flew off the back of the machine and landed in a basket of dirty towels. It was very awkward. Everyone stopped lifting weights to look at me. The trainer came over and asked, "Are you okay, Thor?"
That is so embarrassing. Did you go back the next day?
No, I never went back. I still pay the gym $50 every month, but I am too scared to go inside. I just drive past the gym and wave at the towels.
So your resolution was a disaster too. But Jake, the new year is a new opportunity to improve.
Improve? Like get better?
Exactly. Improve means to make something better than before. You don't need to be Thor. Maybe your resolution should be, I will not burn the kitchen, or I will not fly off a gym machine.
You know what? That is a great plan. I want to improve my cooking safety. No more 10 spoons of sugar. And I want to improve my English with you, Emma.
That's a perfect resolution. And for our listeners, we want to help you improve your English every week. You don't need a gym, you just need to listen to us and enjoy our stories.
Yes, listen to me suffer so you can learn. Wait, Emma, is the red light still blinking?
Yes, Jake? Why?
Because I just realized I'm wearing my shirt inside out this whole time.
Oh, Jake, never change. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you for listening to our podcast.
Happy New Year! Don't forget to tell us your resolutions in the comments. And please, if you are a plumber or a fireman, leave your phone number. I might need it.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.